Hello there, boys and girls. It's Dee, the Jolly Lighthouse Keeper from Flagstaff Hill. I've just popped my mask off for the moment so you can hear me when I'm speaking, and I'll certainly pop it back on when I've finished. We are looking at hanging letter decorations today. Now, in your kit you'll find a piece of wood. We're going to put a letter on that piece of wood. It's a block letter. Now you can use a ruler to do it, you can do it freehand, however you wish to do it. I like to plan mine out with a grey lead first. So I wonder what letter I'll do. Now my name's D, so boys and girls, what letter does my name start with? I can't hear, a bit louder please. Very good, yes you got it right, it's D. So let's do a D. So I'll put a line down the side here. Here we go. That's pretty straight, but you could use a ruler. Do a great big bow out like that, and then I'm going to put a little D on the inside. So this is what mine will look like. D. What do you think? I bet you can do a bit better than me, but I tried, and I'm going to cover that in beads, and that's how we make our letter. Right here. Now that I've done my letter, I'm going to get a marker pen and I'm going to go over the pencil lines. So one moment. Again, if you need to use a ruler, have a go with a ruler. I've got a pretty straight hand from years of making maps for the shipwreck coast. And it's very important that I do a straight line so ships don't run into rocks and stuff. Yes. Okay, here we go. Doing the bow out for the D. Hold that up. Now I do the little D on the inside to finish it off. Round and round I go. And here's my D. It's ready to go. So, you've got things in your bag. You can find things from all over the place to put on these, but you should have some materials in your bag to stick onto your letter. So, I'm not going to spend the next little while sticking these on and everyone will go, oh, will she hurry up, what's happening? But this is what you would do. Put your bead on there. I'll use this bead here for the next one. Oh, there's a bit of fluff. Go away. Bit of bead on there. So you see how it's building up? Oh, I like that one. That's very nice. I'll pop that one on. Oh, look, it's a heart, everyone. That's beautiful. Try another one. Okay. So, I've started the D. I'm going to show you another letter. This is the one Kate's been working on. Good work, Kate. Look at that. See how far Kate's got on hers? Again, just a little bit of patience. Kate's used beads. She's used these little fluffy things. Build them up, build them up. Let's have a look at some other ones. Here's another one. I think Beth made this one. Look what she's used, those reflective little things you can get. That looks really good. And I'll show you how to do the ribbon in a sec. Here's another one. What did they use, boys and girls? Yes, they used buttons. And look what they've done. They've used a pink colour instead of a black colour. So really, it's up to your imagination. This last thing here is our ribbon. Now if I turn it over, you will see that's as simple as it is to do the ribbon. Alright, now we'll get a bit of ribbon and we'll show you how to do that. So one moment. Let's imagine that Kate has finished her letter A and she's making letter A for her pussycat, whose name is Annabelle. So that's A for Annabelle. And she's a lovely little pussycat. Aren't you, Annabelle? Okay, Annabelle, settle down. Okay, now we're going to put the ribbon on. So we're going to turn it over and wait till your beads are dry first. Because what would happen if your beads were still wet and you turned it over and started moving it around, boys and girls? Exactly. All right. So, there's your ribbon. We get a bit of our glue. Hang on a sec. Okay, Annabelle, thank you. Off you go. Good girl. All right. Bit of glue there. Bit of glue there. And here's your ribbon. One bit of ribbon there. One bit of ribbon there. And look what we've got. A hanger. Alright. And there's your hanging letter decoration. So good luck with that, boys and girls, and have a lot of fun, and a lot of imagination goes into these. Thanks a lot.